Hey guys, how we doing today? So decided to take a little break from everything. Came out to the creek today. There was some rain last night, so it's a little dirty. And place where we normally prospect is up around that bend right there. So had to come down here, but wanted to show you guys this before I tore into it any. Got like a natural sluice box thing happening here. So we got this branch coming across this old log. Now it probably hasn't been there too long, but bam, bam, bam. And then I've already panned what was there, found one speck. So I'm going to pull this one up, pan what's underneath, pull that one up, and then basically what I'm going to do is pan every bit of this gravel right here. This isn't a fast moving section. You know, you're only going to get water over here when this thing is high flood stage. But during that time, it's going to come through here, ripping across it, and that is going to be like a low pressure point natural sluice. So, you know, you don't get to see this very often here in Ohio. We don't have much bedrock poking through in the areas that I go to. Unfortunately, it just haven't been out enough to find some great places. We can take a little walk real quick, like right here next to this rock. Anywhere on this side is a good place to pan. That one, you can see there's no gravel on this side. So my guess is that he's been washed out of the bank. Okay, and it wasn't long ago. And what happens is the water comes through and has cleaned every bit of it out. So if it's going to be anywhere here, it would actually be behind this rock. But with all the other good places to check, we're not going to waste our time on this guy. Now, this one, same thing, been washed out of the bank. But you can see there's a trail up behind there where all of it didn't get washed out. So, there's slight chances of something back there, but I wanted to show you these other things real quick. Is these two portions here. So this guy here, depending on how long, sorry, I can't even tell if I'm pointing the right place, can't see. Depending on how long that's been laying there, when the waters are running high, most of those gravels aren't going to be there. It's just the heavy guy is going to hold it, and this is going to act like a natural sluice. And the same with this one. You can see little gravels and sand right on top, and then as it goes down, you got bigger gravels, bigger rock, and then you got large rock. So this is actually a really good place to check for gold, and we're probably going to tear into that sometime today, or actually I guess it could be another future date. We got to get out of here. So a lot of mineralization on this guy. We got a lot of pyrite in this area. I think some of the guys call it ironstone, but that's it. That's what I'm doing. Here's another thing. This tree laying across here, it's probably been here quite a while. You can tell because we've got gravels inside. Of course, this may have all happened in one storm. The reason I don't think that is because there's no other sands on top. They've been washed away since then. So, starting from over there, anywhere through here, there's a chance there's a pretty decent amount of gold. That's if you're in a gold rich area. Here in Ohio, we pretty much got to be happy with what we get. It's glacial gold. So basically, I just did over here where I was showing you in the beginning, I did one pan from below this rock and got one speck. So that's what you look forward to here. You know, if you get one speck per a pan, you're doing great. And we were here last week, like I said, up there, and we were doing 3 and 4 specks a pan. So guys, I'm going to get back to it, and I'll catch up with you guys later.